So you might be wondering, what tiny creature hits hard enough to literally shatter aquarium glass?
Meet the mantis shrimp. What makes this little guy genuinely terrifying to its prey is a strike so unfathomably fast, it accelerates with the velocity of a .22 caliber bullet. 1 millisecond, they're just happily navigating the reef, and the next, their biology has been completely overwhelmed.
Whose biological capabilities honestly seem to defy standard physics. Let's move on and see how this builds in Section 1, the invisible predator. This extreme velocity drops the local water pressure so rapidly that the water actually vaporizes. The implosion produces heat near the temperature of the sun's surface. Because of all this, a strike is so overwhelmingly powerful that it stuns or kills heavily armored prey, like crabs or snails, even if the physical club happens to miss the target entirely.
All right, let's pivot a bit here in Section 2, camouflage and brilliant colors.
Get this, there are more than 400 known species of mantis shrimp inhabiting oceans worldwide, and this brilliantly illustrates just how dramatically their appearance and survival strategies vary across these habitats. On one side of the spectrum, you got species that are intensely, vibrantly colored. On the other side, there are species that are absolute masters of camouflage.
Which brings us to Section 3, inspiring advanced human engineering. Let's talk about why this matters. As the old quote goes, nature often inspires engineering breakthroughs.
Now, what's really interesting about this is how we can map the Stomatopod's biology directly to modern technological leaps. See, this club is made of highly organized layers of chitin and hydroxyapatite, which actually dissipate impact energy instead of cracking. At the same time, robotics engineers are analyzing the shrimp's saddle-shaped, spring-loaded biomechanics.
Let's wrap things up in Section 4, nature's smallest powerhouse. It hunts with a hypersonic speed that outpaces the actual neural processing of its prey. It views the world through a deeply complex 16-cone visual system, perceiving a spectrum of reality that is completely closed off to the human experience. So, the crucial point here is simply this. Some of nature's greatest powers come in remarkably small packages. All of this incredible biology, the unyielding shock-absorbent materials, the hypersonic speed, the mind-bending visual processing capabilities, it's all efficiently packed into one remarkably compact apex predator.
I want to leave you with this provocative thought. If a tiny crustacean can shatter aquarium glass and completely revolutionize human robotics and material science, what other engineering miracles are hiding out there in the deep? We have only just scratched the surface of what the natural world can teach us. Join me in our next explainer, where we'll discover another ocean marvel, an animal that can actually change both its color and its physical texture in a matter of milliseconds. Thanks for exploring the depths of this topic with me today.